How to watch TikTok without downloading the app. What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily watch TikTok without having to download the actual app. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. And also turn on the bell icon so you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Now on that note, let's jump in. So if you want to use the TikTok application but don't want to download the actual app, then in that case, you can use your phone's browser in order to watch TikToks. So in this case, what you can do is go ahead and open up a new tab. And on your new tab, you can just go ahead and search for TikTok.com. So just search for TikTok login and then hit enter. You'll find different results here. Click on the first link that you see on here. Now you can use any of your account to log into your TikTok. So I'm just going to continue with my Google account. Once you've chosen your desired account, go ahead and click on OK, and you should be able to log into your TikTok without any problem. And now from here, you're going to have to complete a quick CAPTCHA. So go ahead and click on the CAPTCHA to complete it. And once that is done, you should be able to use TikTok without having to download the actual application. As you can see, I'm already logged in. So here, as you can see, I am able to watch TikTok without having to download the app. So I can scroll through TikToks. And yeah, that's how you do it. If you found it helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.